Okay, we have a YAMA SEIKI 4-axis vertical machining center, model VMB 1200, serial number 7145. Machine was new in 2009. We're going to run it for you. Right now we're running at 1,000 RPM. The machine goes up to 8,000 RPM and has a Cat 40 spindle taper and a 30 tool automatic tool changer side mount. We're doing a gear change. We're going to the high range now. I'm sorry, how much 100? 2,500 RPM. Machine also has a Sudocoma 4th axis rotary table that is going with the machine. 4,500. 6,000. All right. We're going to simulate a tool change. Machine has 47.2 inches of X travel, 23.6 in Y and 23.6 in the Z. The table size is 23.6 by 51.2. It's obviously T-slotted. That's your X, very quiet. Your Y, Z, and your B. All axes are quiet. Machine also does come with a chip blaster, high pressure unit, so it has coolant through the spindle. And hey, thank you for watching our video.